gonna be the best in the West. I'm gonna stop all the shots. Hey, Billy. Where's your brother Jimmy? Oh, hey, Dad. I think Jimmy's outside practicing. By the way, what were you doing? Did you see those saves? Did you see that? Oh, those were highlight saves. What in God's name is he doing? There's no way he's my kid. Hey, Jimmy, knock it off, man. You're making us look bad in front of the neighbors. Oh my God, I can't believe Billy's my better athlete. How is Billy the family prodigy? There's no way these are my kids. There's no way these are my kids.